And one more thing before I forget is that I'm being told that the water, it wasn't like that in the morning hours. Before even making any move, like it was so crazy that the water almost carried me. Hello, welcome back to Kore the Traveler here. Actually, I'm starting this vlog next to the Kisumu Nairobi road, and in today's vlog I need to take you guys to Ahero. I don't know why we are going to Ahero, but I think I've come across so many comments, people saying that Kisumu is flooding, not just Kisumu but Kenya. So I want to take you to the parts of Kisumu that are experiencing floods. Yeah, so dude is over there, you can see, and I came to this amazing first stop to get some food before I continue with the journey to Ahero. So Ahero is it's about, let's say, 30 minutes from Kisumu town. So I just wanted to bring you guys along, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy. But before that, I want to enjoy my lunch, which I just ordered, and I'll be showing you what I will be having for lunch. So finally, my favorite food is here. Yeah, this just I'm trying to remember the name. My brother Moses knows the name. I keep on forgetting the name of this one, but I usually call it intestines. Yeah. So I met a subscriber, our subscriber here. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm from Kisumu. That's it.
So she just saw me here, and actually she came to say hi. Yeah, the noise is coming from the road. So it's actually a very busy road here. So I just wanted to know, you are from Kisumu. Is the flood really affecting you?
No, we are okay.
Yeah. So where do you think the flood is affecting people here in Kisumu?
Besides Rabuol.
Like on your way to Ahero?
Ahero, yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so that is what basically I'll be doing today. I'm supposed to go see places where flood has really affected Kisumu. Yeah, and thank you so much for meeting you.
Thank you so much too.
Have you subscribed to our channel?
Yes.
Alright, I think I'm just going to enjoy my food here. I don't know, do you want food also?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy for you lunch too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, hey, the place that I just came from it's called Marvel Hotel. So that is always my favorite place to come, maybe have lunch when I'm on this side, because their food is always on the top note. And this place is actually located it's actually located, just a minute, I want to show you guys. Opposite this new tall building, just as you start the entrance to Nyamasaria. So this is the entrance to Nyamasaria. Sorry about that. Where actually the dual starts. So this is from Nairobi to Kisumu. So no, we are in Kisumu. So where the dual starts here at Nyamasaria. So the place is actually located here. So the next stop will be to go look for fuel, which will be just a few meters not far away, so let's continue with our journey. Yeah, or maybe let me say, let us start our journey. Yes.
Out in the fields, dark was the night. Quietly shepherds were resting. When all at once, the flashing of lights, the chorus of angels were singing. Glory to God in the highest, peace and goodwill is a common. Don't be afraid, be of good cheer. This day the newborn Messiah is here. There he lies.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, my nigga? Long time.
My nigga. Guys, actually the word nigga, it's just the word nigga is just we always use it here. It's not a bad language.
How
So
you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
Where are you guys heading to?
Also,
Hello.
Hello.
Give her you had to.
Swaddle, our Redeemer has come. All the power of heaven come down. Emmanuel, God is with us.
So guys, I just wanted to talk about my friends that you just saw them. Actually, they are traveling. They are going to a funeral. Probably around 5 hours from Kisumu. So, and you guys heard one of the guys. The driver. He was saying nigga. So I know it shouldn't be a good word to be calling someone, but you find that when you come to Kenya, especially if you're an African American, you'll find that they might even call you that because we call it by like we use the word here most of the time, so it's not like a bad word or something like that. But I wouldn't recommend to be using me personally to refer it to someone. But I'm just telling you guys the real life here. So maybe if you come here and someone calls you refers you or calls you that, so it's just a heads up or something. Yeah. So we are here. We've actually arrived at a place called Rabuor. So from Rabuor we will be heading to Ahero. So far I haven't seen any flooding areas around here. Everything seems to be okay up to this point. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the church that I used to go before I relocated to the one in Kajulu CPF. Now in this area they have Rabuor CBF church. So this is the sign. Welcome to Rabuor. Welcome to Rabuor. Yes, actually it's just a city of its own. A town of its own. Not a big town, just a small town. So this is their town. Very small, very, very small. But it's serving the people around here. So in a few minutes I'll be showing you the church that I used to go, and I feel like coming back to pay them a visit. one of these fine days. It is only the distance is a little bit far, but I need to come and pay them a visit and to fellowship with them. So back to the floodings. So far so good. Let's continue and see if we will be able to come maybe to an area that has flooded. Yeah. So we are actually coming across closer to the church. It's actually on this other side of the road. I think I'll slow down a bit. Do you see right there? That's the church. Christian Believers Fellowship. So that's the church. I really miss that church. The fellowship so nice. Their singing is always, I can say, one of the best. I think I need to come back to Rabur. Yes, so let's continue to Ahero, 30 minutes drive from Kisumu. So after some few drives from the town, actually from Rabur, I'm starting to see this. These are actually people's property that the water has already invaded. Is it to invade or? But I'm starting to see the ground here is a little bit wet. It's a little bit wet, but not. It's not like everywhere. In some parts. So I'm feeling like in Ahero it could be a lot, because you find that Ahero is a little bit swampy, or should I say this area, as starting from Nyamasaria coming this side, the area is a little bit swampy, and that is why you find that when it rains, when there is a lot of rain or water on the ground, they don't just go like that. They're not being consumed by the ground, and that is why people around here, they do rice, they plant rice. We are not yet in Ahero, but maybe in a few minutes we shall be there. Look at this bicycle. So there's a school on the other side. It's called Lela Secondary School. So the school hasn't been affected so far. So that means the kids have to learn, and I thank God for that. Education is the key. But we are almost in Ahero, so yeah. Let's continue with a small journey to Ahero. Some rice plantation. So finally, guys, we are here. You can see what, look at the bridge. Look at all these waters. Is it waters or this is so dangerous? I'm pretty sure if I just stay here, I might see a body, someone was been carried, but I don't want to come across any disturbing thing like that. So you can see this is actually a road. Yeah, it's a road, it's not a river, it is a road. This is now the river. It actually reminds me of River Nile, the Nile River. But on this other side, we have a road that looks like a river. I didn't expect this. Wow. Those are houses, and I'm pretty sure the water has entered the house. Actually, they are houses, and some people, they are still living in those houses, you can see, but not actually some. I think they've already moved away. This is so crazy. I've never seen something like this before. My first time coming across something like this, which is very serious. So you know, I've never been here before. This is my first time. So I'm being told there's a river from that side and there's another river from here. So this is where they join, they come together. While this other one, this is not a river. This is actually I don't know. This is road, man. Guys, this is road. This is a road. This is not a river. So you might think this is a river here. I don't even know what to do. I'm even afraid to step inside here because of the current. The currents are so crazy. I wanted to like go on the other side, but I don't know what to do. Should I just try? No, I won't risk. So I need to go all the way back to the main road. Then I have to take another road that goes to the other side. But this is so crazy. This is so crazy. I've never seen, like I said, I've never seen something like this. What? What? Look at the current, manze. Look at the current. Hey. The houses. Guys, I'm back in the car, and I just want to tell you something that I didn't even capture it on the camera because I was trying to get you close, like to even go deeper into the villages. And the last part that you saw where I was walking in the water, that is actually a road. And the current was so crazy, trust me, especially in the middle of the road. The current it's extremely crazy. I don't know how that boy managed to cross, but because he was coming, you know, when he was actually walking towards the not towards away from the current, and I was walking towards the current, and something crazy almost happened. The water almost carried me, like seriously. I had to grab for stability. I had to be firm first before even making any move. Like, it was so crazy that the water almost carried me. Trust me, it's not I'm not creating this story. It's a true story. I wish my camera was it was on, and I wish I had someone from that area to do the video with. Actually, there were like so many people were coming to that area, and I even saw a news reporter who was doing a video by the river. Well, just to talk about the river is also massive, manze. The river is so crazy. Hey, at this point, I don't want to risk anymore. It's already hot inside here in the car. And one more thing before I forget is that I'm being told that the water, it wasn't like that in the morning hours. It was a little bit, like, it wasn't that much. It has started to even, I'm being told that that is not even the level of the water. It's always full, like extremely full. So it's just coming, like, I don't know. They don't even know. You saw some people, they've already started to vacate. Some they already did in the morning hours. Yeah, that means it's gonna be crazy. Even like overnight tonight, it might even end up being a lot. The source of this water, I don't know where it's coming from, but probably, if I guess, maybe from the mountains. I mean the hills. There's a hill on the other side. So I don't want to talk much. I just want to end my vlog of today here by saying thank you so much, guys, for coming to watch this vlog, which is a little bit different from the other vlogs. Yeah, so thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.